Hi everybody! So today I'm going to show you how to do this look right here. Alright. I'm not really sure what to call this, so bear with me. But I kind of think of it more as a summer look because it's really easy and quick to do. So you know, you got that summer glow. You don't have to really worry about blending. I'm sure anywhere else that it gets extremely hot will appreciate this look because it's very easy to do, and I mean, it's summer appropriate, and that just means it won't melt off. But if this look is interesting to you and you want to see how to do this really quick, easy, super fun look, I'm selling this look. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows and set my eyes off camera. Now, what I kind of felt like doing today was more of like a really easy, like blown out kind of look. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to go in with a transition shade. This color right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the shade Macchiato. I'm going to take a fluffy brush like my Wet n Wild, and I'm going to go ahead and just put this in my crease. I'm going to go in with this shade Eden from the Prism Palette, and I'm going to sweep that over my entire eye. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges. Okay, so going in with that blender brush, I'm just going to add that shade Saturn into my crease. And it's totally okay for this to be kind of messy because this is supposed to be just an everyday kind of look where you can just slap it on and go and, you know, head out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Eden on my finger and just put that back on the lid. And I'm going to take Saturn and put it on top. And if you want to stop here, you totally can, but I'm going to go in with that pretty shade Eternal, and I'm just going to sweep that over the eye. Going in with my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel, I'm going to make a wing. Okie doke. So now I am so excited because, okay, so basically I know I've been really late on the game of this, but my Walmart finally had the Flower Beauty sponge, and like everybody talks about how it feels like a marshmallow and stuff, and like I can confirm that, if not even softer. And I'm so excited to use this today because it's clean and this one's dirty, so we're using this today. And I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I want to try that today and see how that goes. So let's see. We're going to start with some foundation. And I'm going to go in with the 220 Dewy and Smooth Foundation by Maybelline. So here we go. Oh, I am in love with this so far. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I've never been this excited about a sponge in like a long time. A long time. Now going in with a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. I think today I actually want to do a little bit of some cream contouring with my Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple. I'm not gonna lie, look how nice this is. At least I think it looks pretty nice with this little sponge. I'm going to go in with my Majorette blush, and it's actually a cream to powder blush. So you could use your sponge if you wanted to, or just use like a synthetic brush. Put it on. Smile. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and as soon as I get this off, and now I'm going to take that powder, I'm going to put it under my eye. If you want, you can go in with a little bit more bronzer, and I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil, excuse me. And I'm just going to sweep this on. Going back in with that Prism palette, I'm going to go in with Eden, and I'm going to sweep that underneath my eye. And then I'm going to go in with Clay Crush by Maybelline.